Hello dear students, welcome to your chemistry class. In this segment, we will be going to study about mole fraction. For what we are using the mole fraction? To determine the concentration of the solution, there are different formulas like molarity, molality and mole fraction. Solution you all know very well when two or more than two substances has been mixed and they formed a solution, or you can simply say when a solute has been mixed in a solvent it will form a solution. It can be 2 or it can be more than 2. So mole fraction, it is the ratio of number of moles of the solution. Means like if there is a substance A dissolved in substance B, so it will form a solution and the number of moles will be considered Na and the Nb respectively. If we have to find out the mole fraction of A, so the number of moles present in substance A upon the number of moles of solution, means the total number of moles of solution, can be done the ratio of this. By the help of this we can find out the mole fraction. Now let us understand with the help of the example. So there is a question has been given that in a solution of 1 mole benzene, 2 mole carbon tetrachloride and 7 mole acetone, what is the mole fraction of the acetone? Means the solution which has been made of, it is made up of benzene, carbon tetrachloride and acetone. So this and the number of moles has been given, that is benzene it is 1 mole, carbon tetrachloride it is 2 mole and acetone it is 7 mole. And in question it has been asked about acetone. So the number of moles of acetone is 7 moles, like in question it has been given. Now the ratio of acetone we have got, but the solution has not been given. So we will find out the total number of moles present in the solution. So we will just sum all the number of moles of the substances which has been in the solution. So there is 1 mole benzene, 2 mole carbon tetrachloride and 7 mole acetone. By adding all these moles, there is 10 moles of solution has been obtained. So if we have to find out mole fraction of acetone, so there is the ratio. So moles acetone, the number of moles of acetone upon the total moles solution. So the number of moles of acetone is 7 and the total is 10. So 7 divided by 10, so the mole fraction of acetone is 0.7. Like you can here get the answer, that is mole fraction of acetone is 0.7. Similarly, if you have to find out the number of moles for carbon tetrachloride, that is CCl4, so the number of moles of carbon tetrachloride is 2 and the total moles is 10. So the mole fraction of carbon tetrachloride, it will be 0.2. If you have to find out the mole fraction of benzene, that is C6H6, if you have to find out, so here the mole 7, that is 1 mole of benzene divided by the total mole of the solution, that is 10. So here it will be 0.1. So that is how with the help of this you can find out the mole fraction of any substance. Hope you all have understand what is mole fraction and you can easily perform the various numericals related with the mole fraction.